Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 unique iPhone apps you need to get. So the first one is, this is an app you probably haven't heard of and it's called Tunity. This one is a game changer for those times when you are in an out environment like a restaurant or a gym and you have to hear what's on the TV. Tunity lets you scan any live TV show, stream the audio directly to your phone, and listen with your earbuds. It's perfect for catching up on your favorite shows or staying updated on the game, even when the sound is off or too low. In the loud environments, it's a simple idea but incredibly effective and practical, in my opinion. But moving on, guys, the next app we have is called Drops. Drops is a visually engaging language learning app that stands out for its fun and gamified approach to building vocabulary. It's an absolutely free app that focuses on quick 5-minute session, making it perfect for those with a busy schedule. Instead of traditional, language lessons, Drops emphasizes visual association and repetition to help users quickly learn and retain new words. The app offers also a wide range of language, from popular ones like Spanish and French to less common options like Hawaiian or Icelandic. And sleek, the minimalistic design keep distractions to a minimum, allowing you to focus on learning. On top of that, Drops uses swipe-based interaction, which makes the experience feel like a game rather than a chore. One of the standout features is the app's focus on vocabulary, making it an excellent supplement to other language learning methods. However, it lacks in-depth grammar lessons, so it might not be ideal for those looking to develop comprehensive language skills, or especially for those of you who are completely beginners in grammar. But Offers Drops is a fantastic app for anyone looking to build their vocabulary in a new language, especially for visual learners or those who enjoy short, daily, consistent session. But next up, we have an app called Slowly. It's a bit of a throwback in the best way possible. Slowly connects you with people around the world through digital pen pals, but here's a twist: message actually take time to deliver, just like the traditional snail mail, depending on the distance between you and your pal. If they are far away, it takes longer for your message to be delivered. It's a refreshing way to slow down, take a break from the instant gratification of social media, and build meaningful connections with people globally. If you miss charm of letter writing, if you are like an older generation, this app will hit you right in the nostalgia. Moving on, next up we have Spot Angels. It's a handy app designed to help drivers find free parking spots and save money on parking fees and gas. I personally use this app a lot. The app uses basically a crowdsourced map which is updated in real time to show available parking spaces, garages, and even areas with free street parking, which is absolutely awesome. It also provides detailed information on certain parking regulations and helping you avoid tickets and towing, which is always a plus. One of the most standout features of Spot Angels, in my opinion, is the ability to remember where you're parked. Your car makes it very easy to find your car later on. The app can also send reminders about upcoming street cleaning or parking meter expirations, which is incredibly useful in especially busy and large cities for those looking to save on gas. Spot Angels also offers a feature to find cheapest nearby gas stations, further adding to its value. So I think overall the Spot Angels app is an essential tool for anyone who basically drives, who want to navigate parking challenges in urban areas and at the same time avoid costly tickets and save on gas. All in one easy to use app. Highly recommend for you guys to check it out. Last but not least, we have an app called Blink. If you love learning by reading books but don't have a lot of time to sit and commit to reading, this app is for you. Blinks is an excellent app for basically anyone who wants to absorb the key ideas from any book quickly. It offers concise summaries for, they call it Blinks, of over 5,000 nonfiction books across various categories like personal development, business science. Personally, I don't like reading science fiction, so this app only offers nonfiction, which is my favorite. I love reading about personal development. I love reading about business, so this is a great app to do that. Each summary can be read or listened to in 15 minutes, making it perfect for busy individuals like me and you want to learn on the go. The app is also a very clean and user-friendly interface. I think it makes it easy to discover new books, save your favorites, and also track your reading progress daily. Blink also offers a curated reading list and personalized recommendations based on your interest, kind of like the YouTube algorithm, the Netflix algorithm. Based on what you read, it is really good at recommending you to similar books that might catch your attention, but nonetheless. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.